Hey, what's up, fam? This Chef Nick. I'm just in the house chilling. This is a little behind the scenes shot for y'all. We covering from the 4th of July cookout day. So make sure y'all check that out too on our YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. But if it's not there because it's normally gone from like 24 hours from new feeds and stuff like that, then check us out on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. Everything's there waiting for you to view it. Alright, so it's a little behind the scenes footage of what we working on. We got some cooking tips we working on, some meal ideas, meal prep, some more cooking tips more around what you use to house. This is for our series Save Them Bucks. So make sure you check us out. Got our light set up, Um, got that sweet potato right there. Just got filmed for a cooking tip episode. So hit that subscribe button, y'all. This Chef Nick. You know what it is. We love y'all. And remember, they don't cook with love like we do.